Unlocking opportunities in the maintenance, repair, and operations (MRO) market. Dive into the dynamic world of MRO with our latest insights. The market is set to experience substantial growth from 2023 to 2030, fueled by rising employment rates and strategic investments in emerging economies. Explore the movers and shakers in the industry, including giants like WESCO International, Standard Aero, and Adolph Worth. Discover how their strategies are shaping the future of MRO. The market is not one size fits all. Understand the diverse landscape through segmentation based on types like industrial MRO, electrical MRO, facility MRO, and more. Plus, see how different applications like aerospace, mining, and automotive are influencing the market. From North America to Asia Pacific, we're uncovering the geographical footprint of MRO. How are different regions contributing to the market's growth? Get ready for a global exploration. What's the projected market size by 2030? What are the driving forces and potential challenges? Our comprehensive analysis answers these questions, providing you with a crystal clear view of the industry's future. Gain valuable industry insights. Stay ahead with the latest market trends. Understand the strategies of key players. Explore growth opportunities in different regions.